Why should adventure stop where the road ends? These brand new 4x4 camper vans are tough, unstoppable, and built for any journey. Buckle up. It's going to be a wild ride. First up, we have the Grand Teton camper van, inspired by the legendary Land Rover Defender 90, built on a 2025 Mercedes Sprinter, 144 AWD. It seats 4 sleeps, 3 plus, and blends rugged capability with serious comfort, priced at $1,031,630. It's a dream come true. Just not for my bank account. If you can afford it, you're in for a beast ready for any terrain. With agile off-road upgrades, Toyo, all-terrain, tires, and ample storage inside. Enjoy a marine-grade fridge quartz, composite sink, convertible seat bed, and a hidden INF floor shower with an 8. Occupied to be teller hours, battery solar panels, dual alternators, and Starlink off-grid. Power and connectivity are guaranteed. This van is built for true adventurers. Ever wondered what makes a van perfect for off-grid overlanding? The revamped Winnebago Rebel is built for tough adventures with a turbo diesel engine and 21 horsepower. This van isn't shy about power. It's got rugged accessories like off-road light bars and tubular running boards so you can cruise through the night like a pro inside. You'll love the 3M Thinsulate insulation and hydronic heating system, perfect for those. I'm too cozy to leave moments, plus with a 35G water tank in, up to 7 days of off-grid power. The Revel makes sure you stay out longer than your battery does. All this comes for a price of $250. 700, you heard that right. 44 in this thing is like a monster truck on steroids. Add in custom axles, 60 semester of suspension travel, and it's practically snowproof, powered by a V6 diesel engine with 184 horsepower and averaging 16 to 17 L per 100 kilometer. This 2025 Mercedes Sprinter 318 CDI was transformed into a top-tier overlander. Custom features include dual 250L fuel tanks, modified fender flares, and a larger sliding door. How much would you pay for this one-of-a-kind rig? Let us know in the comments. Up next, a $369 Shutterstock, your overland monster with insane features, the Ross Monster Baja truck camper designed to conquer snowy landscapes. This camper combines agility with comfort. Its compact design and low center of gravity make it feel more like driving a smooth F-150 than a bulky RV, while its shell reduces sway in windy conditions. For a stable ride inside, you'll find a cozy queen-size bed, a versatile dinette that converts into extra sleeping space, and a fully equipped kitchen. And get this, it even has a full bathroom. Meanwhile, I can barely fit a sink in my apartment with room for up to 6 people, and built on a durable Class 5 chassis, the Baja is ready for any rugged adventure. What happens when innovation, luxury, and automotive passion come together? You get the ABC X Tiki Classics 4x4 Sprinter, a breathtaking build celebrating ABC's 50th fully custom creation with a rugged Raptor liner exterior, custom oil racing shocks, and a carbon fiber bumper. It stands out inside Porsche-inspired leather bamboo furnishings, and a prototype acupressure mattress offer top-tier comfort, equipped with Red Arc electronics, solar panels, 400 amp-hour lithium batteries, and a yacht-grade water system. It's perfect for off-G adventures extras like a worn winch and insulated roof tent. Elevate the luxury priced around $300. This Sprinter redefines off-road opulence. These monsters are making me feel like I need a seat. Bell just watching them anyway. Up next, we have the Adventure Co. Prepare to be blown away with its incredible versatility and customization options built on the reliable Mercedes Sprinter chassis. This camper van is perfect for families or couples looking for off-grid adventures and long journeys starting at $50. Zero. It's the only cheap vehicle on this list, and still I can't afford it either. But hey, for all that it offers, it's practically a steal with all-wheel drive for snowy conditions, roof-mounted solar panels, a retractable awning, and a cozy interior with a convertible bed. It's packed with practical features. It also includes a fully equipped kitchenette, compact bathroom, and ample storage space to keep your gear organized. Meet Bruce Banner, a rugged off-road machine built on the Sprinter van platform and transformed by TG's Special Ops Lab. It features a solid axle swap and 8. Ivan lift and hardcore upgrades like backwoods bumpers with integrated lighting, 37 Falcon tires, and a snorkel for deep water. Crossings with a full body line, sex coating for durability. This van is ready for the toughest trails inside comfort meets. Innovation with premium schman seats a stainless steel shower and a diesel cooktop for off-grid convenience. Because who wants to sit in a soul-crushing 9-to-5 job when you could be cooking a gourmet meal in the wild right equipped with a 600 amp hour lithium battery system? Garmin Overlander navigation and high-end audio. Bruce is as smart as it is powerful. It also boasts massive fuel and water capacity to keep you off-grid, longer priced at a jaw-dropping $259. Bruce Banner is built to tackle any adventure and tour in style and comfort. Why should you settle for anything less when it comes to overlanding? The Earth RORX VLTs built on the rugged Ford 550 chassis is the ultimate blend of luxury and toughness. This powerhouse features a lightweight carbon fiber body, large lithium-ion battery, and an intuitive touchscreen interface for maximum convenience, equipped with a full-height bathroom. Military-grade tires and large fuel and water tanks. It's built to handle the toughest terrain and extreme weather conditions. Its self-sufficient power system eliminates the need for propane or noisy generators, ensuring complete off-grid. Freedom, perfect for snowy conditions and rough terrain. The MIF-15 LTS excels in any environment, handcrafted in Colorado with precision. This bad boy is probably priced higher than your first house, starting at $451. Euro ideal for those seeking the ultimate overlanding adventure. Introducing the HiMR Freeze Campus, a stylish overlanding van priced at $99,999. Its adaptable interior comfortably fits 4 people, making it perfect for family or friends. The pop-top roof transforms it into a 2-room setup like the van version of a surprise party. Except you always know who's invited. The sleek blue. Gray exterior turns heads, while the modern interior, with polished silver and darkwood finishes, adds a touch of luxury. A 10/25 in M-Bucks touchscreen keeps you connected on the road, and the 9 GT-Ronic automatic transmission ensures a smooth ride. Plus, the covered terrace adds 7 square m of outdoor space, so you can enjoy the outdoors in any weather. Hold on, because we're just getting to the best part up. Next, this van has a feature that completely changes the game for overlanders. Something you won't find in most camper vans. Trust me, you'll want to see the $23, 400 Overland monster with insane features. We're talking about the Rebellion AWD exclusive by RP Motorhomes, a perfect blend of luxury and rugged capability, built on a Mercedes-Benz AWD system with BF Goodrich at tires and enhanced ground clearance. It's ready for extreme terrain. Heated seats and a 10 MB infotainment system ensure comfort on any journey. Because who says you can't enjoy a little luxury while conquering the wild? Off-grid power is covered with solar panels, Victron battery technology, and an inverter, so you'll never run out of juice even in the middle of nowhere. Inside, it's like a mini mansion on wheels. The elevated lounge gives you a panoramic view of your surroundings, while the spacious garage fits all your gear. The kitchen features high-end appliances, and you'll find plenty of storage for everything you need. The sleeping area is designed for maximum comfort, ensuring you'll get a great night's rest no matter where you are looking for the ultimate family camper van. The Dock Holiday by Off-Highway Van might be your perfect match. It accommodates 7 passengers and sleeps 5, ideal for road trips and weekend getaways. Built with aerospace engineering and durable materials like aluminum and composites, it's lightweight yet tough inside. You'll find customizable cabinetry, memory foam mattresses, and plenty of storage. The Prox trim adds off-road features like all-terrain tires and an upgraded system suspension with a cooktop, fridge, sink, and optional shower. It's ready for adventure at $169,999. This Overlander isn't cheap, but hold on, because the next one costs 10 times more. The AO Daily 40WR4 Camper is a powerful off-road vehicle designed for ultimate wilderness adventures. With rugged super single wheels factory, installed differential locks, and a high and low range transfer case, it's built to conquer any terrain inside. It offers a surprisingly spacious yet compact layout, embodying SLRV's signature. Open atmosphere features include electric beds, a fully equipped kitchen with an induction cooktop and convection oven, and even a washer dryer for extended trips priced at about $400. I know you probably can't afford that, and neither can I. But hey, it's fun to dream, right? It comes with satellite TV, mobile internet, and an efficient water system for long off-grid stays. The AO Daily 4x4 is perfect for those seeking comfort and reliability in remote areas. Let's explore the 2024 AWD Mercedes-Benz Sprinter by Beachside Custom Vans starting at $175. Sure, you're zero. You think it's expensive. Just wait, because the next rig makes this one look like a bargain. Drawing inspiration from the concrete oasis, this van features a Van Compass suspension, durable BF Goodrich KO, 2 tires and sleek AMA windows, all complemented by a robust roof rack inside SmartCret walls and durable lawn seal flooring set a warm and inviting tone. The lounge area is equipped with an L-shaped couch, advanced electrical setup, and a space-saving elevator bed, because who doesn't want their bed to rise up like a cool transformer? The kitchen showcases stylish butcher block countertops, elegant walnut cabinetry, and top-of-the-line appliances, including a dual-burner induction stove. The bathroom is equipped with a spacious shower, a convenient dry flush toilet, and innovative storage solutions, perfect for off-grid. Living this custom van masterfully combines rugged durability with refined comfort. If you think these overlanders are impressive, just wait, this next one takes luxury and takes them off-roading to a whole new level. I'm talking about the Earth Remore WEX and Expedition vehicle. So elite, even Aquaman might do a double take built to dominate rugged terrain. This beast features cutting-edge tech and customizable exteriors, setting a new standard for adventure rigs with superior traction control and massive ground clearance. It glides through snowy landscapes with ease, ensuring a smooth, secure ride. No matter the season, step inside, and you're met with pure luxury, rich brown leather seating, elegant wood accents, and premium amenities that rival a F-star hotel. The kitchen's so well equipped. Even Gordon Ramsay would be impressed. This is the fewing basis OR designed to accommodate up to 6 people. It also boasts a lavish shower and automated steps for the ultimate convenience in the price. Oh my God, I can't even pronounce this number. A whopping $1 million. It's a mansion on wheels that costs about the same as an actual mansion. Ever wish backing up was as easy as driving forward? The Bailey Endeavor B62, priced at $770 comes with a Ford Cab 2L155 brake horsepower engine, 6-speed automatic transmission, and a versing camera. So no more blaming your co-pilot for bad directions. Its bold chrome blue exterior turns heads, while a smart tambour door inside creates a spacious aisle. The rear U-shaped lounge is perfect for kicking back, and the sofas quickly convert into one. 9M single bed. Setting up the double bed takes some effort, but hey, good things don't come easy. Plus, with a fully equipped kitchen, you won't be stuck eating just canned beans. This next beast is on another level. The Weinsberg Expedition 600 MQ is a rugged camper van for serious adventures, starting at $120,000, built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis with 150 PS. It offers rear-wheel drive and an optional all-wheel drive upgrade with a 1M lift. Its bold Expedition styling complements a sleek interior for up to 4 people inside. You get premium materials, a multi-use table, and a rear bed that transforms into a cozy lounge. And here's the real game. Share the Clean Flex waterless toilet system. Say goodbye to nasty smells and messy tanks. This thing seals waste like a futuristic burrito built for any terrain. This van is the perfect overlanding companion.